What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna try our best to get our 5-inch downpipe back exhaust on the LBZ Duramax. We're kind of running low on light. It's windy, not the great weather, not the best weather for it, but we're gonna get started. So let's dive into it. I've watched a couple videos on how to remove it, but I'm just gonna kind of wing it and start pulling parts off and see where we get. I took some cold start sound clips and a little bit of revving yesterday, driving around, that kind of stuff. So we're gonna do some comparison sound clips after. But first, we are going to start pulling, let's see if I can get you down in here, rubber hangers. They're no fun, but I watched a video on how to do it pretty easy with channel locks. So we're gonna pull the rubber hangers out. I'm gonna do a few down the length of the exhaust and just kind of throw you guys up on the tripod. And I need to get this done kind of quick, so it's gonna be some boring angles, but let's just start doing it. Hopefully that was the hard part. Now we just gotta pull the downpipe and cat. Sweet. Oh, we got the old exhaust off. Alrighty guys, that actually went a lot smoother than I expected. So we got the old exhaust off, and now we get to open up our new 5-inch and go from there. I know that's the first piece, so let's go toss this first part on, go from there. All right, that was a nightmare, but we got the first piece on. Now I need to see what the next one is. All right, guys, that was an absolute nightmare, but we got it on. So now we're gonna try a cold start of a 5-inch downpipe back exhaust on a 07 LBZ Duramax. Here's the first cold start. It's still super quiet up here, which I like, but a lot louder out back. So we're gonna put everything away and go for a little test drive. All right, I gotta get some in-cab cruising video so you can hear how quiet it is but no turbo whistle, no exhaust noise, just a little bit of wind noise, kind of the windows down so we could hear. It's a lot throatier. You can hear the turbo. It sounds really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that the angles were a little boring. I know you didn't see a lot of it, but that was a struggle and a half. It took me about an hour and a half, which is less time than I expected, but it was still a pain. But yeah, if you liked it and you want to see more LBZ Duramax updates and more awesome content on the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.